Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDbQa. In today's video, we will see how to open browser and navigate to a URL using Robot Framework and Selenium. If you have not subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe. On this channel, you can get videos related to automation testing, manual testing, and programming languages as well. So let's start with our today's video. So for writing the test case in which we will be opening the browser and then we will be navigate to a URL, we will be using PyCharm. So if in case you have missed the previous videos in which I have shown how we can install the robot framework, how we can install the libraries, and how we can write our robot framework code using PyCharm, I will give the link of that videos in the description. You can go and watch that videos. So this is the PyCharm and this is the project that I have created, Robot Framework project. And inside this project, there is one folder or directory. Tests is the name of that directory. So for writing the test cases, first of all, what we have to do, we have to right click on this directory test and we have to create a robot file. Here we have to give the name of that file which we want to create. So let me create test cases.robot. So we have to give the extension of the file as robot and hit enter. So for writing the test cases, first of all, what we have to do, we have to import the Selenium library, right? So for importing the Selenium library, we have to first write the settings section. Inside the settings section, we can write the libraries that we want to use in our project. So like this, we will write the settings section and then we will write the library and then we will write the Selenium library. So the benefit of the plugin is that we will get auto suggestions and it will ease our work. Alright, so we have imported the Selenium library and now we will write our test cases. So for writing the test cases in robot, what we have to do, we have to first create a section of test cases. Inside the test cases, we can write our test case. So let us name the test case as open browser. So this is the name of the test case. In robot framework, indentation plays an important role. So there are no curly braces or round braces. The scope of the code is decided by the indentation. So this is the name of the test case. Now we have to go inside this test case for writing the steps. So we will do tab. There should be more than 3 spaces to consider it as a new block of code, right? So we have given tab. We can write documentation for telling that what this test case is all about. So this is the documentation of the test case and now we can continue with our test steps. So in Selenium library there are different keywords with the help of which we can achieve our goal. So our motto is to open the browser using the robot framework. Create Webdriver. And in this driver name, we have to give the name of the browser which we want to open. As you can see here, the documentation is written. Driver name must be WebDriver implementation name like Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Safari, etc. So first of all, let us see how to invoke Firefox browser. Create WebDriver Firefox. What it will do, it will create a Firefox browser. It will open an instance of the Firefox browser. Let us try running this test case and see if it opens the Firefox browser or not. For running the robot test case, what we have to do, in the terminal, in PyCharm, we can click on this terminal at the below screen and here we can write robot, and if we have to run the complete robot file, we can simply give the path of this robot file. So for selecting the path, right click on this file and click on this copy path. It will copy the path of that file that we can give here. Hit enter. So it executed, but the test case failed because it says Gecko driver executable needs to be in the path. So for that, first we have to download the Gecko driver for Firefox. Only then it will invoke the Firefox browser. So for that, we will go to browser and search for download Gecko driver. This is the link github.com, and from here we can download whichever version is the operating system. Accordingly, we can download this Gecko driver. After downloading the Gecko driver, what we have to do? So this is the downloads folder, and here is the Gecko driver that I have downloaded. We have to copy this Gecko driver and we have to paste it at the location where the Python installation is present. So this is the Python 3.9 installation. We have to paste it at this location. Gecko driver is now present at this location. We will close it, and now we will try to run it again. Now we have downloaded the Gecko driver and placed it at that location. Now let us see. Yes, you can see the Firefox is now being opened. And if we see the test case status, it is passed. But the instance or the browser is not closed. For closing the browser at the end of the test case, what we can do? We can write a tear down section for the test case, and in the tear down section, there is a keyword for closing the browser, close browser. So this tear down will execute at the end of the test case and it will close the browser. Now let us try running it again. So as you can see, this time the Firefox browser is automatically closed. So with each execution, there are three types of files that are created for robot framework: output file, log file, and report file. You can access them from this location, which is given after the test case. Just we have to copy this location and open it in a browser. So this is the log of that execution. You can see create Webdriver Firefox, and then the close browser keyword is invoked, which closes the browser, right? Now let us see how we can go to a URL using the robot framework. For going to a URL, what we have to do? There is a keyword go to. By using this keyword go to keyword, we can simply go to this URL. So in this URL, it takes this parameter. Here we have to give the URL of the location where we want to navigate to. So let us try in reaching to facebook.com. Let us try running it again. So the browser is being opened, and this time, as you can see, the Facebook website is being opened and the browser is closed. The test case is passed. So if we go to that log location again, we just have to refresh it, and this time this go to URL step is also mentioned. This is the output: opening URL facebook.com. Right, so this is the steps by which we can open a Firefox browser and we can navigate to a URL using robot framework. Now we will see how we can invoke a Chrome browser using robot framework. For opening a Chrome browser, similarly, we have to give Chrome in place of this Firefox. And as we have downloaded Gecko driver for Firefox, for Chrome we have to download Chrome driver. So for that, we will go to the official website of this Chrome driver. This is the official website, chromedriver.chromium.org downloads. And as per your Chrome browser's version, we can download the Chrome driver. So on my setup, the Chrome is 104. I have downloaded the Chrome driver. And now what we have to do, we have to copy that Chrome driver as we have done for Firefox and place it in the Python installation location. So we have uploaded Gecko driver and the Chrome driver at the Python location. So now let us try running this test case on the Chrome browser. So as you can see, the Chrome browser is being invoked and Firefox was opened and it closed that browser. The test case is passed. To check the logs, we have to go to the logs, and this time the web driver is Chrome. As you can see, the test case is passed. So this is the method by which we can invoke Chrome browser and Firefox browser using the robot framework, and we can navigate to a URL using the robot framework. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, please subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.